This is the tour of our basement in the building I live in. First of all, we have a pool table right here. We got some extra seating arrangements. The next we have a foosball table. This is all free. Comes with living here. So we have a table, a sitting area with a flat screen, brand new flat screen TV. This is another game, and can't remember what it's called right now. But it's gotta be, the table's gotta be cleaned off because of construction. But these slide around on the table. It's a really long game. There's a sitting area here, and if we come over here, if you can see it, it says fitness room. So we're gonna open up the door. Sorry about this. There's a yoga room with yoga mats, and there should be some yoga blocks in here too, right there, along with some yoga straps. And then we have a fitness room. Comes with a flat screen TV, 2 treadmills, pretty high-tech treadmills too. They got all the gadget things on it. And then we have the recumbent steppers, recumbent bikes, and a weight area. And it's all got the really cushiony floor in it. So we have this, which we use quite a bit. Gets used quite a bit. And back out here, we'll go back to the next area. It's also got another flat screen TV so we can watch things, whatever you want to watch. I'll go to that area there in a minute. We're going to go into this one, which is the business area. They got some computers for us to use, and a printer, it looks like. It's not quite up and running yet that I know of. But then there's this area, which is a coffee bar area. I see that they set some donuts out since earlier this afternoon. Coffee bar. We got all the little coffee things and teas and a Krug. And while I was waiting to start, I made some green tea. So this is all of the amenities we get just for living here. And this is our downstairs area. Just thought I'd show you our little tour of our downstairs amenities that we get. Talk to you later. Bye.